Okay, let's have a little walk around Ash's E30. And you can see we've done a custom harness, multi-coils. We've actually, that's all the original wires, but just recovered them. If you go over this side, you notice one of the big things is there's no fuse box. So we've completely removed the fuse box. And all the fuses, all the wiring harness goes into the factory spot there. And you can see down here again, it's all the factory wires. We've just recovered them. We've added in ones for things like the thermo fan. If we carry on inside, this is all the harness. You can see it comes in from the engine bay and comes from the back of the car. And we've got a little lithium battery tucked up in there. And if we look right up in there, we have the PDM. Now that's controlling everything. So we have ECU there. And you can see over that side we've got the wires going up to the back up to the steering column. So let's have a look at what we've done here. So I've connected all the original controls. So there we are. This is a custom design in the ECUmaster dash. You can see we've got flash, we've got wipers on. Intermittent, and we've got low speed and of course high speed. And we've set up so they've even got things like the handbrake indicator. We've got lights, high beam, dip, indicators are still on the original stalk. Hazards. And we've also got a few others to different pages. These are some of the more race style pages. The gear selector we'll be able to create once the vehicle speed has been calibrated. We'll be able to create a calculation in the dash software, and that will determine which gear you're in each time. The dash also has a G meter, so we can calibrate and check all your G forces. And all these things will be logged via the USB logging. So you've got a USB stick that will log everything that's happening with the dash. It's just another display, more for tuning maybe. Lap times if we have the GPS. There's all the PDM information. You can see the indicators flashing away there. And back to our standard one. Now this display has been made from scratch, just sort of copying a bit of a motorsport BMW type theme.